So first you're just going to put on your tan cap, and then you're going to spray it with got to be, and then after that just blow dry it until it's like completely dry. And then the next step you'll do after that is cutting off the excess cap. Now I'm about to go in with the Sally Hansen leg spray, and then I'm just going to tint my lace with that. I don't really like to bleach my knots because just spraying it is quicker and it's easier. So then just go in and blow dry it until it's like completely dry. So now I'm about to just cut the excess cap off, and basically like I'm just gonna try to form a little bit of my hairline so that it's easier to apply my lace onto it. But I'm also covering my hairs in the front because I don't want to cut them off or glue them down. Now you want to put the wig on to see where you want to lay it and like how you want to lay the glue and everything, measuring the ears and stuff like that. Now you want to apply some makeup to the hairline so that it matches. Just choose a shade that's closer to your skin tone. Now you want to just clean your hairline off with some alcohol or something to get the oils off of it so that the glue is easier to lay down and the lace will be sticking onto it better. Now after you finish with that, you want to just go in and apply a thin layer of glue, and I did this 3 times. You want to make sure that the glue dries like completely clear before you lay down your lace. So start in the front and just lay your lace down onto the glue and on the sides. And then I actually went in and did some plucking, and then I laid my baby hairs with some Nairobi foam. And then y'all will just see like the aftermath. I didn't really show that part, I'm sorry guys, but I just literally just went in and started plucking anywhere. And then I just cut the baby hair and laid them, and then it came out so perfect.